All right, let's dive into this JavaScript code. Imagine you're working in the SystemeIO editor and you want to add a captivating background video to a particular section. Since the editor doesn't provide this feature out of the box, you decide to roll up your sleeves and add a little custom magic. First things first, the script is triggered when the entire page and its associated resources have fully loaded. This ensures that everything is in place before we start making changes. Now, the script starts by identifying the section where you want the background video to play. It looks for a section element that houses an element with the ID scriptvideo. This is like signaling, hey, find the section where we want to make the magic happen. Next, it locates a div within that section, and specifically, it's looking for a div whose ID starts with video. This div is essentially a placeholder for the video we want to use. Now, let's talk about creating the actual video element. A fresh HTML5 video element is conjured up, and various attributes are set to tailor its behavior. The src attribute of the new video element is set to match the source of the original video found within that special div we located earlier. We give this new video element an ID, let's call it James Video. We decide to let it autoplay, keep its controls hidden, mute the audio because it's a background video after all, and ensure it loops endlessly. Styling comes into play as well. We're positioning this video absolutely to cover the entire viewport. It's set to be the background, so it's pushed to the back with a zindex of -1. Its dimensions are set to take up the full height and width of the screen, ensuring it's a seamless background. Now comes the grand reveal. The script inserts this new video element right at the beginning of the section, practically making it the first child. The magic is complete. The background video is now in action. But we're tidy, folks. We don't want the remnants of the old video and the script lying around. So we go ahead and remove the parent elements of the original video. It's like cleaning up after ourselves. Out with the old, in with the new. And there you have it. A script that brings life to your SystemeIO editor by seamlessly adding a muted, looping background video to a section. It's a bit of JavaScript sorcery to enhance the visual appeal of your web creation. That's the beauty of customization.